ఉన్నాను. అప్పటి వరకు I will take the question, anything. Namaste and good evening, all of you. Welcome to Monday, and all of you are busy, but you are giving the dedication. I am very happy to see your dedication because we entered in the second week, right? And before we have the 1 minute more, so any questions regarding the meditation practice? How many of you practiced last 5 videos again? Meditation. Any one video? Nirja is practiced. Yes, Kavi madam, have you practiced any one video?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday I practiced,
Hmm.
but not all the videos, but few I did.
Okay, very nice. So I hope you have improved the pattern about the breathing, right? Because you are practicing.
Yes, ma'am. Diaphragm breathing has become easy. Four,
Hmm.
four, four is coming easy.
Hmm. Very nice. Right. So practice makes man's perfect. Okay. All of you know that, right? So today again I have selected the means I have designed like that in 11 days classes. So please anyone is who are watching on YouTube and maybe you are watching later, you can give me just today is which day you are, means fifth day, yeah, second day, yeah, fourth day, you can just type in comment two, or maybe good evening Monica, or maybe one, or maybe four, or maybe five, like that. Because why we are designed this step with the breathing exercise in meditation, I'm adding the breathing exercise also because it will help you to move your subconscious mind, okay, to attach with the means usually we are most of the members have a distract place, distract environment with home or maybe in outside, but when we can completed these sessions, so we have that any environment we will means quickly go through the, yes, Shahida, day for very nice, go to the deep meditation state. And thank you, Shahida. Without late, today I'm going to about the topic. So, how many of you observed the thumbnail? Thumbnail about the YouTube. అంటే యూట్యూబ్ లో నేను షేర్ చేశాను కదా. Yes. Okay. So, anyone noticed what is the cosmic serenity means? Um, Shanti means what I have given the title in Telugu. Okay, cosmic serenity meditation. How many of you think means we have in picture? Na? కవి గారు మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
Yeah, I observed that, ma'am. Cosmic thing that you had put, no, I observed that.
Yes, yes. Because that
I
picture
was
will.
curious,
Ah,
actually.
yes, yes. Today we are doing the astral, okay, astral meditation actually. So cosmic serenity means బ్రహ్మాండం యొక్క సంపద in Telugu we can say, right? బ్రహ్మాండ సంపద, right? In Hindi also means in cosmic we have this so much of energy means we can't count because in our body is made up of with the cosmic only. నిశ్శబ్దం, శూన్యం, but we are not attached with the cosmic energy, right? So today we are little bit we are going to the astral and we are finding that shunya space, right? Shunya means not only finding ourselves, actually we are finding ourselves only, that is the cosmic serenity. And we have that బ్రహ్మాండం విశ్వం యొక్క సంపద అనేది మన లోపలే ఉంది, ఎక్కడో లేదు. So we need to create, we need to move on, right? So that's why I have given the cosmic serenity. And tomorrow we are doing the candlelight meditation, otherwise diya meditation, you can say. Okay, all of you can arrange the candlelights. So after the body scanning, right, after the grounding and after the 478, this is the one type of meditation, right? Slowly slowly we are moving. So let's begin our astral travel. So I hope everyone, how many of you curious about the astral traveling? So ఒక పెద్ద గ్లాస్ వాటర్ తాగండి. Today we are going to do the astral travel. light astral travel. And if you are sitting on the chair, you want to lie down, that is okay. But try to cope up with the asana in first starting. Okay, later it will go down or maybe any that is not an issue. ఎందుకంటే మనం మన బాడీ అనేది ఉందనేది అది ఒక డీప్ లెవెల్లో మర్చిపోతాం కాబట్టి అప్పుడు ఎటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం కాదు బాడీ ఇటు అటు అని బట్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఈజ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ because starting we are training our body, right? Or sit in a spine should be straight and you today you can do the cosmic mudra, okay, like this. Or otherwise, and we are calling, okay. So up down and just keep on your thighs or maybe in between below navel pad. Okay, మీ లెగ్స్ పైన ఇలాంటి కాస్మిక్ ముద్ర వేసుకుని కూర్చోండి ఓకే ఎందుకంటే క్విక్ తొందర థాట్లెస్ స్టేట్ లోకి ఈ ముద్ర ద్వారా మనం వెళ్ళగలుగుతాం ఇట్స్
Correct,
క్లియర్
ma'am?
ఎవ్రీ ఎస్ కరెక్ట్ it's very simple just we are connecting anyone can do it anyone can do it okay sit in a comfortable position and spine should be relaxed చిన్ని ముందుకు కాకుండా టక్ చేయండి ఓకే later it will go down it's not an issue but in starting position and the neck should be relaxed and relax your shoulders ని బాగా లూజ్ గా వదలండి okay now you are ready to do the meditation. Now again we are doing the breathing exercise first. So I hope now when I am counting 8 numbers, so you are going to do the inhale, exhale. Okay. Today we are not using the 4-7-8 method, but we are doing the again diaphragmatic breathing. Okay. అంటే కడుపు నిండుగా ఒక బెలూన్ ఎలా ఉబ్బుతుందో అలా కడుపు ఉబ్బరంగా శ్వాసను తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ నెమ్మదిగా బెలూన్లో గాలిని తీసేసిన తర్వాత ఎలా వస్తుంది అలా రావాలన్నమాట రైట్ సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ as a breathe okay like a balloon okay swollen balloon and you can just breathe out okay use the techniques who are starting who are habituated so automatically it is coming right so myself Padma. Okay, I'm taking these classes, Be Off of Meditation Heal Within You group. Okay, now we can sit, close your eyes with a beautiful smile on your lips because today you are enjoying the Nishabda, right? Shunya Sthiti, కాస్మిక్ సెరెనిటీ బ్రహ్మాండం విశ్వం యొక్క సంపదని ఈరోజు మనం అందుకోబోతున్నాము ఐ హోప్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు ఆర్ రెడీ I'm giving the 8 count. 1 count, inhale and exhale. Okay, like that I'm giving the 8 count. Inhale, 1. And exhale. Inhale, 2. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly, you can breathe in your diaphragm to your abdomen like a balloon. Slowly exhale. Inhale, 4. పొట్ట నిండుగా గాలిని తీసుకోండి కెన్ ఫీల్ ఎయిర్ ఇన్ యువర్ స్టమక్ అబ్డామిన్ ఏరియా exhale squeeze your abdomen not first from your chest diaphragm and last from your abdomen just try 5 inhale if any count is missing you can do it 8 okay 5 inhale with a beautiful smile your beautiful soul who are attending all these are your co-fellow meditators inhale and exhale slowly and deeply and deeply 6 inhale and you are in relaxed position any tension anything you are releasing from your exhalation process. Just give intention to I'm releasing unwanted thoughts from coming morning. మార్నింగ్ నుండి మీకు ఏవైతే వచ్చాయో అవసరం లేనటువంటి ఆలోచనలు వాటిని నేను వదిలేస్తున్నాను త్రూ యువర్ ఎక్సలేషన్. जस्ट रिलीज एक्सेल. आप एक्सेल के साथ सब कुछ छोड़ना है. एक्सेल. 7 inhale, 7 inhale, 7 inhale and exhale. Exhale. 8 inhale and exhale. Now slowly I am adding the music. Okay, so you are there with the music. Slowly, when I am giving again 8 count, just say yourself relax. ఎందుకంటే ఈరోజు మనం శూన్యత్వాన్ని ఆస్వాదించాలి. We are going to enjoy the నిశ్శబ్ద. Now slowly you can visualize at your place only, at your room only, but that space in your room, everything is changing. Nothing will be there in front of you. నెమ్మది నెమ్మదిగా మీ ముందు ఏమీ లేనట్టుగానే ఊహించుకోండి. Visualize slowly, nothing will be there in front of you. But when I am saying, staircases are forming. Slowly, if I am saying 1, so 1 staircase is forming towards the sky. ఓకే, ఆకాశం వైపు నెమ్మదిగా ఒక్కొక్క స్టేర్ కేస్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. when I'm saying the 1 2 1, slowly visualize 1 staircase is formed that have one small light. Slowly you are moving to that staircase side. Inhale and exhale. Slowly you are moving upside. 2, inhale and exhale. 3, inhale and exhale. 3, inhale and exhale. 4, inhale and exhale. 5, 5. Slowly, when you are moving upside, automatically staircase are forming. మెట్లు అనేటివి వాటంతట అవే ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి మీరు పైకి వెళ్ళిన కొద్దీ. 7, 8. Now slowly we have now entered into infinite void. అంటే అనంతమైన నిశ్శబ్దంలోకి మనం ఇప్పుడు అడుగు పెట్టాము. When you are seeing after 8, completely infinite void, అనంతమైనటువంటి నిశ్శబ్దం. Slowly, first what you are seeing the color, which color you are seeing, you are observing, or maybe multiple colors. First which comes in your mind, just attribute any color you are experiencing to the sky. అనంతమైన నిశ్శబ్దమైనటువంటి విశ్వం లోపలికి నువ్వు నెమ్మదిగా అడుగు పెట్టావు. Now you are entered in the infinite void. आराम से आप ऊपर देख रहे हो. There is no other than bliss in the sight of infinite emptiness. ఆకాశం యొక్క తత్వము మరియు నీవు మాత్రమే ఉన్నావు నిశ్శబ్దంతో పాటు. We are the only ones. Now slowly, without any of thinking, slowly you are moving to infinite void without any fear. Now again you can take the deep breath, inhale and exhale. Now slowly, now who are attending this session now, maybe who are attending later, they all are there with you in the infinite void. आपके साथ जो कर रही है मेडिटेशन अभी सेशन में यूट्यूब में से, सब लोग उधर आपको उनकी जगह पे दिख रही है. As a beautiful soul, all are there. This moment is wonderful, divine moment, collective energy. No one is talking. All who are sitting into their positions in the infinite void. తమ తమ యొక్క స్థానాలలో తమ యొక్క ఆసనం పైన నెమ్మదిగా ఎవరి ప్లేస్లో వాళ్ళు కూర్చుంటున్నారు. All are sitting, सब लोग अपना अपना जगह पे अपना अपना आसन के ऊपर बैठ रहे हैं. Whom are sitting into their position in the infinite void. Each one sitting and ready to meditate. This is a very beautiful, divine moment. Just imagine yourself all are beautiful souls who are vibrating love and peaceful energy at now. With the declaration of love and peace, all our divine soul form is preparing for their surprise in their respective positions in the infinite void. అనంతమైన విశ్వంలో వారి వారి స్థానాల్లో అందరూ రెడీ అవుతున్నారు. All of us, including you. You are seated firmly in Padmasana in the infinite void. మీరందరూ ఇప్పుడు పద్మాసనంలో కూర్చుంటున్నారు. ఎటువంటి రెస్ట్రిక్షన్ లేదు ఇక్కడ. ఆసన ఖచ్చితంగా పద్మాసనంలో కూర్చుంటారు అక్కడ. Sitting firmly in Padmasana in the infinite void. Let me make an invitation through our thoughts to this infinite void. Now with your thought process, you are sending invitation to the infinite void. Means అనంతమైన విశ్వం లోపలికి నీ ఆలోచన ద్వారా నువ్వు మెసేజ్ పంపిస్తున్నావు, ఆహ్వానాన్ని పంపిస్తున్నావు. And now you can observe your body where you are having pain or maybe physical pain, emotional pain. Just observe your body. Anything. When you are started in the infinite void, slowly you are releasing that pain, everything. Now you are feeling so light in your respective position of meditation. And infinite void have 3 qualities, especially 3 qualities. So we are inviting them now. అవి మన లోపలికి, మన యొక్క శక్తి ప్రవాహం లోపలికి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. We are inviting infinite void qualities in our physical vehicle, in our physical body, in our 5 sheets. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. We now invoke 3 qualities and saying with me in your mind, four qualities. I'm adding one more of divine power, love, knowledge, power, and kindness. ప్రేమ, జ్ఞానము, శక్తి, దయ. ఇవి అనంత విశ్వం నిండుగా ఉన్నటువంటి క్వాలిటీస్ని నా శరీరంలోకి నేను ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను. I invite these 3 qualities into the vehicle of my body. The infinite void has 3 qualities, 4 qualities: love, knowledge, power, and kindness. మీ చుట్టూ కంప్లీట్గా శూన్యత్వం. Stars are blinking, beautiful sky with different colors, and everyone is meditating. You are also inviting. Now you can invite the energy through your Sahasradhara, or maybe from your head. Through the air become a source. When you are inhaling, slowly that energy is forming as a light. Someone will invite from their heart. Someone will invite there from finger source as someone will invite from the Sahasradhara. Someone will invite through your Manipura. According to you can just observe yourself from which source you are observing the infinite void energy. It has its own place. Someone will observe from your heart, fingers, that energy is entering in your body. Anything coming from outside, nothing will disturb you if you are filled peaceful inside. The sounds coming from outside cannot change any way in your thought process. That is why we invite this infinite power inside. నిశ్శబ్దాన్ని, నిశ్శబ్దంలో ఉన్నటువంటి శక్తిలో ఉన్నటువంటి పవర్, లవ్, knowledge and kindness we are inviting. The inner emptiness is what you want, right knowledge, love, power, kindness, and just observe yourself 5 minutes how you are receiving the infinite energy of the void into your body. आपका शरीर के अंदर आप यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी को कैसी ले रही हो आप ऑब्जर्व करना. Notice through which medium you are receiving. Observe your whole body as well. Who are watching on YouTube, don't give any thought, just they are coming and going. Just sit and do it. Notice through which medium you are receiving. Observe your whole body as well. List for a while with that divine energy, filling that great void with energy. మీ యొక్క శరీరం లోపలికి ఏ విధమైనటువంటి మీడియంను ఉపయోగించి శక్తి ప్రసరణ అనేది తీసుకోబడుతుందో నెమ్మదిగా గమనించండి. అలో యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ the infinite void energy. Peaceful, calm, love, kindness. Inhale slowly and deeply. Now observe your whole body and slowly open your eyes, not here, in infinite void. Observe the infinite void. Everyone is meditating in their respective places with beautiful souls vibrating with love and peaceful. Look at the sky, everything slowly you are standing and slowly everyone is disappearing and you are coming back. అనంతమైనటువంటి నిశ్శబ్దం నుండి, అనంతమైనటువంటి శూన్యం నుండి, ఆకాశం నుండి నెమ్మదిగా కిందికి వస్తుంది. When I am counting 8, staircases are forming. 8, 1 step. When you are going down, staircases are forming. 7, inhale and exhale. You are feeling very light. You are observe healing energy. Inhale and exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. నీ యొక్క ఫిజికల్ బాడీకి నెమ్మదిగా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. ఎంటర్ యువర్ ఫిజికల్ బాడీ. Inhale and exhale. Now feel that love, kind, power, knowledge, energy is vibrating through your whole body. You are spreading to everyone. If you feel comfortable, slowly wiggle your toes. Otherwise, if you want, continue your meditation. You can continue. ఎవరికైనా పరిపూర్ణంగా అనిపించేంత వరకు మెడిటేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Otherwise, just open your eyes. Now I am going to end the music slowly. Slowly open your eyes and just observe your body and rub your hand. Just keep on your eyes and sip one big glass of water. సో మెడిటేషన్ నుండి ఎంతమంది బయటకు వచ్చారు? ధ్యానం నుండి. How many of you come outside? Monica, okay. Anyone want to share your experience?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last time now, continue like because of network issue, but starting I was feeling I was enjoying मैम, बट मेरी ऐसा मुझे फील हो रहा था मेरी बॉडी जो है ना मूव हो रही है, मतलब बहुत तेज हिल रही है अंदर से, और रोकने की कोशिश कर रही थी, ऐसा लग रहा था कि अंदर से मैं हिल रही हूँ.
Very nice, Monica. It's a beautiful goosebumps experience for meditators.
Thank you, ma'am.
But nothing will be happen because we have the calmness. So don't worry. Allow yourself. Okay. And anyone, Rajalakshmi Garu, who are attending today? First anyone, first time who are attending live class? Okay, so who are watching on YouTube, just comment and you can just mention which video you are there, okay, and what is your experience and which topics do you want in coming days. And already 2 videos I recorded, scientific reason behind the meditation and what is happening during the meditation. Okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'm going to give the live with a premiere only. So I hope everyone enjoy this meditation, and tomorrow tomorrow we will do the candlelight meditation, or maybe anything via any light, that is fine. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow again, and everyone do the general practice, please. I'm going to post a few questions. Just make one notebook. Okay, in notebook, day 1. Okay, this is my experience, day 1. What thoughts are coming? Okay, so I'm going to 3 questions post. So every day you can fill in your notebook. If you want, you can share within your group. Otherwise, share in personal also. Okay, in last ending of the 11 days, I'm going to give one, we have one question and answer session. In that session, I'm going to establish. Okay, these are all the beautiful experiences. Ending of the day, you can look at how much you are experienced and how you are changed your thought process, right? So now I'm going to end the live session. We will meet tomorrow and keep on sharing. Sharing is the caring, right? If you can feel, maybe it will help to anyone we don't know. So you can share it. Okay. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండ్ కవి గారు నిద్రపోయారు చూశాను ఇట్స్ ఫైన్ వెరీ
It was wonderful, ma'am. You know, after I was missing moon meditation a long time, you gave me in between. I put my intention before the meditation. This time, when you said it is cosmic and astral, I was praying to Baba. I want to, meet you, something like that. I was actually totally, it was my neck was strained and I was feeling feverish before the meditation, but now everything is gone. I'm fully all right.
Yes,
Thank
you
you,
are
ma'am.
in, yes, you are enjoy it, right? Experience. Okay.
Yes,
Yes. Thank you for sharing. Okay, I'm ending the session now.
thank you, ma'am.
And comment on the YouTube. Okay, that will help to reach so many people. Okay. Bye, all of you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank
We'll
you.
meet.